We're talking to our Proven Winners pros. And if you've ever grown a Proven Winners plant in your garden, most likely this guy has had some kind of a part in the growth of that plant before it got to your house. I've got Dave here. Dave, tell me your job.
So my job here at 4-Star is I'm one of the 5 growers here. So I'm responsible for taking some of these liners that you see behind us here and making sure they are grown correctly to get to the other greenhouses so they grow into beautiful plants for you. And I also finish all of our 4-inch pot material here. So if you're one of the local garden centers, chances are you've got some of my product in your store.
That's right, you do. Tell me a little bit about your background.
So my background is I'm a 3rd-generation greenhouse guy. My grandfather started a greenhouse locally right after World War II, and about 10 years ago I ended up here as one of the growers. So
that is awesome.
I've been doing this for a while.
What's your favorite part of your job?
Favorite part of the job is I never do the same thing twice. Every day is a little bit different. You never know what you're going to be doing, but it's always enjoyable and trying to figure out what you're going to do next.
Favorite annual? Got to have a favorite.
My favorite annual this year, it changes year to year, is the double caliber koas. I just really love those this year. I got a little sneak peek last year in my garden, and we have a little fairy garden around our house, and one of the double orchid did great for me.
It is a beautiful plant, and I love it. Tell me a little bit of a gardener's trick. You are the greenhouse guy. When those plants start to fail in my yard, what can I do to save them?
Well, chances are if they're failing, it's either not watering correctly or feeding, and 9 times out of 10 is feeding. So make sure you're feeding these guys because they get hungry just like we do.
That's a great trick. So if you're going to grow like an athlete, you need to eat like an athlete.